Alright, it's recording now.
It's a very laggy camera you got there.
I know.
Let's go. Come on, Nate. Lead the way. You're going to be a nice
Welcome to the Nature Channel. Where did Jordan go?
What we're doing today is you're going to stare at my chest as I talk to you.
As always.
My conversation with every woman ever.
Hold on. We need to go find
There she is now.
We need Jordan.
Mexican.
What?
Her name is
Welcome to the Nature Channel.
Okay, let's start it off. Start it off. Start it off.
What the hell
Perfect.
is going on
I have
here?
no idea.
I don't know.
It started off as a joke, but Joe's being pretty serious.
Yes, I am.
God! You're a creeper.
Come on, back. There he is now.
I can't record while she's getting my
Mexican food.
Welcome to the Nature Channel. Inside.
Look at all of these Mexicans.
What happened? Well, feelings for hero or whatever. Yeah.
Welcome to the Nature Channel.
That's what she
Today
said.
we will find a black guy over there, right there. Black man. Say hello.
Jordan, you're not in the KKK. Stop acting like it.
People are very shy about what they do. Back to you, black guy.
It's it's the mega news. Back to you, black guy.
Not so black. Over there we see Mr. Hammett. The natural habitat of these stars. And this is your photo from Hat
Shut up. It's my hat.
Now back to you, Peter.
It's Mr. Hat.
Mr. Hat, what do you have to say about this?
No. Mr. Hat, no here.
I guess he's not here.
We need more lemon wedge.
Peter, what do you have to say on this matter? Need some more lemon.
I'm not saying anything without my lawyer. But I will say this.
We need more lemon pledge. Alright, back to you, Black Man. We're recording.
Yeah.
Question it.
This is
And you'll be
legit
also on
recording.
the news. Right? Yes. Black man is very shy in his natural habitat. And as you can see, white people are also very shy on the camera. Very few of us can actually go onto camera, like me, because I'm part Asian.
Welcome to the Nature Channel. Right here we see a ginger in his natural habitat. Look at him. Look at how beautiful this ginger is.
My God. Oh, it's amazing.
Yeah, but at least you can actually turn to face the wall.
And over there we see a bunch of people buying lunch. Over there we see them in their natural habitat, the lunch line. Awesome. They're very dangerous. Never approach them without being armed.
36 inches in diameter.
Where's Lopez?
Where's Lopez? I have no idea.
The question that we've all Okay, stop. Video, stop. Just redo it. That was the third time.
We've got a pretty good video going on.
No, we didn't. We have to
36
get off and
inches
just
in
do it.
diameter.
Awesome.
Throwing the computer around like it's nobody's business.
Autumn, are you having fun down there?
As you can see, white girls are also very shy on the camera. And now she's standing there. Apparently, she does not like being on camera. See that girl with the blonde hair over there?
Yeah.
Her name is Cat.
And over there we see a jungle cat in her natural habitat. Over there by that pole.
Dude, there's Tristan. Let's go message her. Do the nature channel.
They're very rare. There's only one in the world. And she's over there.
Awesome.
Awesome. Now back to you, Peter.
Oh. I don't know, like I can't think of something to do.
And I will, and I'll be the host.
Oh. You suck. Cameraman yourself. Hello.
I'm gonna stop recording.
What? You didn't stop recording?
I want to.
Okay.
I'm going
This
to.
is long enough.
Bye.